Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on POCO F7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings, then click on Google Assistant and click on Voice Match. Then click on Get Started and click on More and I agree, then click on More and I agree again. And now click Next. And then click on Retrain Voice Match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay, let me try that again. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click Next. And now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click Yes, I'm in and make sure that this option stays on. Now you can go back and you can go back again and click on Gemini. And my Gemini is now enabled, so let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.